During the Cold War, the CIA orchestrated coups in Iran and Guatemala, changing the course of history. But why were these coups carried out, and what are the long-term consequences? Let's uncover the story. In 1953, Iranian Prime Minister Mohammad Mossadegh made a bold move by nationalizing the British-owned oil industry, directly challenging Western economic interests and causing a significant geopolitical stir. In response, the CIA, in collaboration with British intelligence, launched the covert Operation Ajax. Their goal was to remove Mossadegh from power and reinstall the Shah of Iran, Mohammad Reza Pahlavi, as the country's leader. Through a combination of propaganda, strategic bribery, and orchestrated riots, the CIA successfully overthrew Mossadegh, destabilizing the region. Although the Shah's return brought short-term stability, his increasingly authoritarian rule fueled widespread resentment among the Iranian populace, ultimately leading to the explosive Iranian Revolution in 1979, which dramatically reshaped the nation's political landscape. History. The CIA's involvement in these coups served U.S. Cold War objectives, aiming to curb the spread of communism and protect American interests abroad, but came with heavy costs. In Iran, it bred anti-American sentiment that persists today, fueling ongoing tensions and distrust between the two nations. In Guatemala, it destabilized the nation, leading to widespread suffering, civil unrest, and decades of political turmoil that affected countless lives. And mistrust of U.S. policies in Latin America, where communities continue to grapple with the legacy of these interventions. These operations highlight the lasting consequences of foreign intervention, showing how actions taken in the name of security can have far-reaching impacts, and the challenges of balancing short-term gains with long-term stability, a lesson that remains relevant in today's complex geopolitical landscape. The CIA's Cold War coups shaped the modern world, but at what cost? What do you think? Should nations intervene in the affairs of others? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe to emgotv1 for more fascinating history.